Welcome. This is our first sponsor message of this UGM 2020 for iRods. This is Jon Toor from Cloudian, and he's going to speak for a few minutes about what he's doing.
Indeed. Thanks very much, Cheryl. Yeah, and I really appreciate being the first sponsor message. So I get to you guys bright and fresh and relatively early for some of you. For you guys over in the EMEA, thanks very much for hanging in. But I think this is a very interesting topic. Cloudian is a really proud sponsor of iRods, and our product family is a perfect complement to what you're doing, because we are all about limitlessly scalable storage for everything that's capacity intensive in computing. So I'll just give you a little quick overview of what Cloudian is and what, why we matter in this arena. Cloudian is S3 compatible object storage, and object storage, as you folks know, is the scalable storage architecture. It's designed for limitless scalability. That's the whole reason why people use object storage, is the limitless scalability. In particular, Cloudian, it does both appliances and software-defined storage. So whether you choose to deploy us as a box or run it on servers you already have, we go either way. And the whole point of Cloudian is to start small and scale essentially limitlessly. We have environments right now that go over 100 petabytes in a single customer environment. And it's really designed to scale easily. So it's a single software instance per box, and every box is the same. So it's a peer-to-peer cluster. Everything appears in your environment as a peer to everything else. So there's no access nodes, there's no management nodes. It's just one software load. You just put 3 of them together in a cluster and you're off and running. It's also hybrid and multi-cloud ready. So we can talk to the cloud. If you're using public cloud, say as a data repository for either DR purposes, or you want to move data to the public cloud for analysis, we can tie in with that environment seamlessly, whether you're talking about Google, Amazon, or Microsoft. And you can use multiple clouds together. We can actually run in the cloud if that's something you're interested in doing. And then you have a single point of contact. You have a single management environment across all cloud environments. Cloudian has been at this since 2011. So we're a veteran in object storage. We are the most widely deployed independent in object storage. We are also a proud recipient of the Gartner peer review award this year. So customers rated us very highly, said that this is something we really trust and use to manage large amounts of data. The other thing that's really exciting about Cloudian is not only does it manage your data, but it provides you with a way of really managing your infrastructure too. Another element of data management is managing that environment. And of course, object storage is a distributed environment. It's always multiple nodes. Those nodes can exist in either one location or multiple locations, and they're communicating with each other at all times. So the nodes themselves and the networking are all part of your environment. And we have a management tool that lets you see everything that's going on, see the networking environment, see the processes running on the nodes themselves, and also see what your users are doing. So you can see which users are consuming the most storage, make sure that users are staying within their swim lanes, really get a good visibility on everything that's going on in your environment. We offer both appliances and software-defined storage, and these run on industry standard servers. So if you're running any x86 environment or virtualization environment, whether it be VMware or whatever, we can run on the hardware you already have or run with the appliance that we ship. There's really 4 reasons why customers choose this kind of environment. One is the S3 API compatibility. In the case of iRods, you have an S3 connector, which interfaces perfectly with Cloudian, but there's many other instances of people writing software that is cloud native that uses the S3 API. And there's also instances of shrink wrap software, such as data protection software or data management software that also use the S3 API. And Cloudian is compatible with all of those. So it's really a multi-use environment. It's not just for one thing, Most of our customers actually have it for multiple use cases, and it's also multi-tenanted, so you can keep all those use cases separate within a single storage environment. It's designed to start small and grow seamlessly. It grows without disruption simply by adding nodes. So as you add storage nodes to your environment, they become part of the capacity, and they also become part of the performance. All processes are run in parallel across the nodes, so you benefit from that parallel computing and the extra performance as you add more nodes. It's hybrid multi-cloud ready with AWS, Microsoft, and Google. And of course, what's critical to everyone is it's cost effective. Less than ½ cent per gigabyte per month is completely achievable on any reasonable size storage environment, meaning it's a small fraction of the cost of public cloud. It's about 1/3 the cost of a public cloud environment. And then finally, just to wrap it up, we offer a 45-day free trial. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Cloudian and you're interested in finding out more about object storage, seeing what it can do in your own environment, give it a try. All you have to do is sign up for a free trial on our website, cloudian.com/free trial. And you can try it out in your own environment, load it on any x86 server, load it on a VM, you're off and running, and you get this nifty management environment along with it to try it out. So that's Cloudian in a very, very quick nutshell, done in 5 minutes. And I'd be happy to answer any questions.
Very great. Thank you, sir. My first question is, where are you? You have a great ceiling. What is that? Where are you physically located right now?
I'm in California. Yeah, we're Silicon Valley. I'm in the Los Gatos, which is the southern end of the Silicon Valley.
Sure. Let's see. Any questions in Slack? I don't see any. Is there? I believe we've had a couple of customers directly. Is there where we've worked together and kind of used the consortium to find new business? Has that model worked? Is there anything that you might change about how we handle that right now? Is there anything that we can do better for you?
No, we've been thrilled. I mean, we have a large customer that's using Cloudian with iRods today. It's a many petabyte environment. It's in the UK, medical research, and that's been very, very fruitful. And I think we've been thrilled to work with the iRods because what your members are doing, your consortium is doing, is completely in sync with our mission. It's large scale data storage, easy to manage, easy to grow, and low cost.
And we didn't pay him to say that. It's great. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to have you here, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you, Terrell. Good to see you. Bye-bye.